disturbing video of an Indian student being handcuffed and pinned to the ground by authorities at the Newark Airport in New Jersey before he was deported. Now, this video has triggered a lot of outrage on social media. This video was captured by a witness, an Indian-American entrepreneur, Kunal Jain, that showed authorities treating the student like a criminal. The disturbing footage shows the student pinned to the ground, at least 4 officials holding him down, with 2 of them keeping their knees on the back as well. Look at the visual on the screen. This is how the student was treated. My colleague Rishabh is on the broadcast with us. Rishabh, this is a very disturbing video, and the manner in which the student is being treated. What are the details? Why did the officials pin him down?
Well, not much details are out, Pratibha, about the Indian student who was being deported from the Newark airport, but the Indian, embassy in Washington has taken note of this situation, and the Indian consulate in New York has also tweeted this in an official statement that they are in touch with the American authorities to ensure that nothing of this sort happens to Indian nationals. But the visuals that have come in are really horrifying, and the way in which the Indian student is being treated definitely sends shockwaves to many parents who have their children studying or working in the United States. The new wave of deportation that we have seen coming in from the United States to India has already sent shockwaves among the non-resident Indians, but also it has sent a shockwave to people who intend to send their kids for further studies in United States, and visuals after visuals that have come in from different parts of the United States are definitely horrifying. The Indian embassy suggests that they are working with the American authorities to ensure that nothing of this sort happens, but again and again such visuals are coming to light.
Okay, very disturbing that the Indian student was treated this way. The Indian embassy is in touch with the local authorities for more details on the same. Rishabh, thank you for joining us with those details.